In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Claude Code in VS Code. We'll walk through installing the extension, opening the Anthropic console, authorizing access, and finishing with the required subscription so you can start using it right away. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once VS Code is up, look to the activity bar on the left and open the extensions view. You can click the square icon made of 4 blocks or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. At the top of the extensions view, place your cursor in the search box. Type Claude Code into the search field. In the results, find the Claude Code extension and select it to open its details page. Take a quick look at the description to confirm it's the tool you want, then click Install. Give VS Code a moment to finish. You'll see progress indicators while the extension is being added. When the install completes, a yellow icon will appear near the upper right corner of the VS Code window. Click that yellow icon to open the extension's quick access menu. In that menu, choose Anthropic Console. A prompt or panel will appear with an open option. Go ahead and click Open. Now wait while the console initializes. You may see a loading spinner. This step can take a little time on the first run, so don't worry if it sits for a moment. Just let it finish preparing everything in the background. When the console is ready, you'll be asked to authorize. Click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions so the extension can connect to your account securely. Follow any on-screen prompts and avoid sharing any personal credentials outside of the secure authorization page. After authorization, you'll land on the subscription step. Here you need to subscribe to activate full access. Review the available plan, then complete the subscription within the secure interface. If the page opens in your browser, just return to VS Code once you're done. If you ever change your mind later, you can manage your subscription from the same account area. That's it. With the extension installed, the console opened, authorization complete, and your subscription active, you're ready to explore what Claude Code can do. If something doesn't appear right away, give it another moment to finish syncing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding with Claude Code and VS Code.